Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change the Serpentine belt on an Infiniti G35. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a new Serpentine belt, a wrench, and a socket set. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent any burns. Also, find your vehicle's belt routing diagram. This will be invaluable for correctly installing the new belt later on. Being prepared makes the process much smoother. Now, let's get to removing the old belt. Start by locating the Serpentine belt tensioner pulley. This pulley has a specific point where you can apply leverage to release the belt's tension. Using a breaker bar or a long wrench, apply pressure to the tensioner to create slack. Once the tension is off, carefully slide the old belt off all the pulleys, making sure it doesn't snag on anything. With the old belt out, it's time to install the new one. Refer to your routing diagram and carefully thread the new Serpentine belt around all the pulleys, saving the tensioner pulley for the very end. Once most of the belt is in place, use your breaker bar or wrench to apply tension to the tensioner pulley once more. This creates the slack needed to slide the belt onto the final pulley. Then, slowly release the tensioner. Before you finish up, take a moment to double-check your work. Ensure the new Serpentine belt is perfectly seated in all the grooves of every pulley. A misaligned belt can cause serious issues. Next, start your engine for a short period to confirm the belt is operating smoothly and quietly. Listen for any squealing or unusual sounds. For more great advice, check out The Simple Path to Wealth and other deals in the description below. You've done a great job changing your Infiniti G35 Serpentine belt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.